Photo of the day today comes from KJ. If you were up this morning, you saw the crazy clouds, the darkening skies as storms rolled into Memphis. This is actually what we call a shelf cloud, where that edge of the cloud comes in just before the storm arrives. Usually a little more bark than bite with these clouds. A lot of people assume this is like a tornado storm. Not really. It usually just means there's some gusty winds, maybe some hail in there. And if you want to be featured on our photo of the day, we want to see your weather photos. You can always text them in to us, 901-321-7520. You can also submit them to us on the free ABC 24 app. I'm also on Facebook and Twitter at Weather Trevor. Here's radar right now, a lot calmer than it was earlier this morning, all that torrential rain around 10 or 11 a.m. But there are still some downpours out there, even a little close to Memphis now. Some light showers up near Millington, a couple of heavier showers over just south of Harrisburg, northern Cross County as well. A couple of downpours coming into Marshall County, Holly Springs, Byhalia, heads up, you've got a little rain coming in. Doesn't look like any lightning with these, so again, not as strong as what we saw earlier today. But if you're trying to take I-22 between Byhalia and Holly Springs, definitely some heavy rain there for the next little bit. And some heavy rain for everybody this morning. These are our rainfall totals over the last 12 hours, almost 3 inches in parts of Tipton County. We did get to 3 inches in Panola County today. They got under the rain for several hours this afternoon, and an inch or 2 for a lot of other folks around the region. Other folks, though, completely dry, so really a feast or famine kind of situation. Now tonight, I think rain chances go down a bit, but I am going to leave in a 30 to a 40% chance. I think we've got a couple of showers around, especially just after that midnight hour. You might hear a little pitter patter on your windshield, but again, I don't expect a lot of heavy rain tonight like what we saw this morning. Tomorrow, though, starting off the work week, we've got another chance of some spotty storms, and some of these storms, as we go into your Monday afternoon, could turn out to be on the heavy side. Now, if you were watching last night, I told you a lot of the rain by Monday and Tuesday was going to be focused in northern Mississippi, and that's what's going to happen. Notice our rain chances are highest: Clarksdale, Oxford, Tunica, Holly Springs. North of Memphis, not really expecting a lot of rain tomorrow. Dyersburg, you're likely going to be completely dry. Memphis, we're kind of right on the line. I think we might see a couple of light showers, but a lot of the heavy stuff likely going to stay down in northern Mississippi. There's that rain I told you about tonight. Here's 1 a.m. Some light showers, maybe even a couple of downpours out there. I think tomorrow morning honestly looks pretty dry, but it's the afternoon. Here's 3 p.m. Notice those storms firing up mainly south of I-40. So even Memphis could get in on a little bit of rain, but especially northern Mississippi. And then we're going to do it all over again on Tuesday. Same thing along and south of Interstate 40. That's the best chance of rain for tomorrow and Tuesday. And some of that rain could be heavy at times, especially if you're caught under several days of downpours. We could be talking 1 to 2 inches down in northern Mississippi. Many spots, though, looking like generally less than an inch, especially north of Memphis. So keep the umbrella handy tomorrow and Tuesday, especially if you're down in Mississippi, but really spotty storms. It's not going to rain all day. Wednesday, Thursday looking mostly dry and warmer, and then I think we are dry. Friday and the weekend look really good. Sunny skies, but warmer with high temperatures back into the low 90s.